In the warm glow of a Jamaican sunset, 16-year-old Tracie wandered along the sandy shores of Negril, her curiosity piqued by a shimmering object half hidden in the sand. As she brushed away the grains, she uncovered an ancient-looking bracelet, carved with glowing symbols that seemed to pulse with energy. Intrigued, Tracie slid the bracelet onto her wrist. Instantly, a surge of warmth coursed through her veins. Suddenly, she could feel the air around her rippling with unseen forces. She closed her eyes, and visions of distant galaxies and forgotten civilizations flashed before her mind's eye. Over the next few days, Tracie discovered that the bracelet granted her incredible powers. She could manipulate the elements, summon wind, control water, and even shape light. But with great power came a strange responsibility. She realized the bracelet was a relic from an ancient civilization that had mastered energy and magic. One evening, as a storm approached, Tracie used her newfound abilities to calm the raging skies, guiding the rain away from her village. Word of her gift spread, and she knew she had become a guardian, not just of her community, but of a legacy she was only beginning to understand. As the bracelet's glow dimmed, Tracie felt a deep connection to the island's mysteries. She understood that her adventure was only just beginning, destined to explore the true extent of her powers and the secrets hidden within her new magical inheritance.